Boston, where the local time is 9:55 a.m. You may now use your cell phone. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and keep the aisle clear around personal items. Take a moment to check your seat pocket and around your seat for any personal items like tablets, cell phones, wallets. When you open the overhead compartments, be careful as items may move in flight. Our arrival gate today is B5, that's Bravo 5. On behalf of American Airlines and One World Partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon.